Hello everyone, welcome back to TeamDroid once again, and in this video I'll be talking about how to hack or unlock Wi-Fi using WPS Wpa Tester. WPS Wpa Tester is an official and genuine app available on the Android Play Store, and you can download the application from the link given in the description. Well, with that being said, if you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is check the wireless connections which are available in your area or locality. Try connecting to the wireless connection which has the highest available signal, as it will be easy to unlock that wireless connection. After checking, open the WPS Wpa Tester application, and after that enable the Wi-Fi interface. This application is educational purpose and click on yes. Now the wireless connections with the green symbol is hackable, but the Wi-Fi connections with orange symbol is not hackable. Now try selecting the wireless connection with the highest signal. Click on yes. Now try to connect it with no root method. There are two methods, one is old and one is new. First, try to connect it with the new method. If it doesn't work, then try to connect it with the old method. I am trying to connect with the wireless connection with the new method, and the connection is succeeded. This application was actually designed to test your wireless connection whether it is vulnerable or not. But this application can also be used for hacking or unlocking any wireless connections. So as you can see here, I have successfully connected with the Wi-Fi connection with the highest signal in my locality. Now check whether it is working or not. Here I am opening the YouTube application, and it is working perfectly. So it's as simple as that. Nothing to do, just install the application, click on the try to connect with no root method, and your Wi-Fi will be unlocked. So this was the easiest and genuine way of hacking or unlocking any wireless connections easily with just one application. So if you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and follow us on Instagram to know more about us. Well, with that being said, it's TeamDroid signing out here, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.